Welcome students to our online learning session. Today we will learn the formation of partial differential equation. Here rule 1 is by elimination of arbitrary constant. Okay. Here we will learn how to form partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. Suppose we are given the equation f of x, y, z, a, b equal to 0, where a and b are the arbitrary constant and z is a function of two independent variables x and y. Okay. Now, what we'll do is we'll differentiate the above equation with respect to x and with respect to y. So on differentiating, we get del f by del x plus p del f by del z equal to 0. Now the next equation is del f by del y plus q del f by del z equal to 0. We name it as equation 2. Now our next work will be, we will eliminate a and b from equation 1 and 2. After eliminating a and b, we get the partial differential equation of order 1 of the form f of x, y, z, p, q equal to 0. Let us understand this by taking some example. The question is, derive partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. Our first one is z equal to x square plus a into y square plus b. What we have to do here is, we have to remove the arbitrary constant a and b. Okay. See now, here z equal to, we are given that x square plus a, y square plus b. This is equation 1. Now we differentiate this equation with respect to x and with respect to y. See now, on differentiating with respect to x, we get del z by del x. Now the differentiation of x square plus a will be 2x and the next term will be as it is, since we consider it as constant. Now this equation can be written as p equal to 2x into y square plus b. Now we differentiate the equation 1 with respect to y. So we get del z by del y is equal to x square plus a is constant, so it will be as it is, and differentiation of y square plus b will be 2y. Now we know that del z by del y can be written as q equal to x square plus a to y. Now since we want to eliminate a and b, what we will do is, we will find the value of y square plus b and x square plus a and will substitute this in the given equation. So the value of y square plus b will be p upon 2x and the value of x square plus a will be q upon 2y. Now we will put this both values in the given equation 1. So we get z equal to p upon 2x into q upon 2y. By cross multiplication rule, this 2x and 2y will go with z and multiply. So we get pq equal to 4xyz. This is our required partial differential equation of first order. Okay. Let us take one more example. Our next example is x minus a into y minus b minus z square is equal to x square plus y square. See, now here we are given that x minus a into y minus b minus z square equal to x square plus y square. This is our given equation. We name it as equation 1. Now we differentiate equation 1 with respect to x and with respect to y. Now first we differentiate with respect to x. We get here y minus b minus differentiation of z square will be 2z, and again we get del z by del x equal to differentiation of x square will be 2x. Now we convert this in the form of p. So this y minus b will be as it is, minus 2z will be as it is. Del z by del x can be written as p, which is equal to 2x. Now again same as in the first example, we take the value of y minus b. So we get here 2x plus 2zp. Similarly, we differentiate with respect to y. So on differentiating with respect to y, we get x minus a minus 2z del z by del y is equal to 2y. Now del z by del y can be written as q. Rest of the term will be as it is. Now again here we find the value of x minus a. We get it as 2y plus 2zq. Now we substitute these both values, that is the value of x minus a and y minus b, in equation 1. So we get here 2y plus 2zq into 2x plus 2zp minus z square equal to x square plus y square. Now we can see here there are no more arbitrary constant. So this is a required partial differential equation of first order. This was rule 1, which we have done by elimination of arbitrary constant. Okay. Now let us move towards the rule 2. Our rule 2 is elimination by arbitrary function. As in the rule 1 we have removed arbitrary constant, in rule 2 we will remove arbitrary function. We have some formulas which we need to remember to make our example easy. Okay. See, now we need here P, Q and R. P equal to del uv upon del yz, which is equal to uy uz vy vz. Now we have to find the determinant of this term. Okay, we will see it in our examples. Capital Q equal to del uv upon del zx, which is equal to determinant of uz ux vz vx. And last, capital R equal to del uv upon del xy, which is equal to determinant of ux uy vx vy. After finding these values of P, Q and R, we put these values in the equation capital P small p plus capital Q small q equal to R. Okay. Now see, we will solve this using, you will solve the equation using this formulas. Form the partial differential equation of f of x square minus y square, comma x, y, z equal to 0. This is our given equation. What we have to do is, we have to remove arbitrary function. That is, we have to remove this our f. Okay. See, now we are given this as our function. The first portion will be u and the second portion will name it as v. Okay, u equal to x square minus y square and v equal to x, y, z. Since we need all the differentials, so here we will find ux, uy, uz and vx, vy, vz. Ux will be 2x, uy equal to minus 2y and uz equal to 0. This is simple differentiation. Okay. Now vx will be equal to yz, vy equal to xz and vz equal to xy. Now by using the formulas seen earlier, we have P equal to del uv upon del yz equal to determinant of uy, uz, vy, vz. We substitute the above values here. We get determinant of minus 2y, uz is 0, vy is xz and vz is xy. Now we find the determinant. We know that we will multiply this minus this term. So we get minus 2xy square minus 0. So capital P equal to minus 2xy square. Okay. Similarly, we will find Q and R. Q equal to del uv upon del zx, which is equal to the determinant of uz, ux, vz, vx. So this is equal to 0, 2x, xy and yz. We have substituted this all values which we have found above. Now we find its determinant. Again we know how to find the determinant. So the value of q will be equal to minus 2x square y. Okay. Same way we find the value of capital R. Capital R equal to del uv upon del xy, which is equal to ux, uy, vx, vy. Now the value of ux is 2x, uy equal to minus 2y, vx equal to yz and vy equal to xz. Now we do here cross multiplication, that is we find the determinant. Okay, so we get 2x into xz minus of 2y into yz. On simplification we get r equal to 2x square z plus 2y square z. Now we put these values in the equation capital P small p plus capital Q small q equal to R. So we have substituted all these values here. Minus 2xy square p plus value of capital Q is minus 2x square y small q as it is, and the value of capital R is 2x square z plus 2y square z. This is our required partial differential equation, and we can see here there is no arbitrary function. Okay, when we have given that f and in bracket we have 2 or 3 values, we can use this formula. Now let us see one more type of example for the elimination of arbitrary function. Okay, here form partial differential equation of z equal to phi of y by x. Now here we will not use determinant method. We will use the method of arbitrary constant. Okay, now let us proceed. We name this as equation 1, the given equation. Now first we differentiate equation 1 with respect to x and with respect to y. So on differentiating with respect to x, we get del z by del x equal to the differentiation of phi will be phi dash y by x, and now we differentiate this inner portion. Y will be as it is, and differentiation of 1 upon x will be minus 1 upon x square. Now del z by del x can be written as p and the rest of the term will be as it is. Now we differentiate with respect to y. So we get del z by del y equal to 5 dash y upon x. Now again we will differentiate this. So differentiation of y is 1 and 1 upon x will be as it is. Now del z by del y can be written as q and the rest part will be same. We name these two equations as equation 2 and equation 3. Now we have to remove here arbitrary function, and here our arbitrary function is 5. Okay, so what we will do is we will divide equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, so on dividing equation 2 and equation 3 we get p by q equal to 5 dash y by x into minus y upon x square upon 5 dash y by x into 1 upon x. Now we can cut this portion, okay, and here this x will go, so we only remain with p by q equal to minus y by x. Okay, so again on cross multiplication we get here px equal to minus yq, which also can be written as px plus yq equal to 0. This is our required partial differential equation after the elimination of arbitrary function. Okay students, I hope you are clear with the topic. What we have done here is we have formed partial differential equation using elimination of arbitrary constant and arbitrary function. Thank you.